Looking for a trusted online broker that blends global accessibility with versatile trading options? In this video, we're going to be having a look at JustMarkets, a multi-asset broker that has been serving traders around the world since 2012. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Renowned for its client-centric approach, JustMarkets offers a secure and transparent trading environment, complete with competitive spreads, flexible account types, and access to powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, JustMarkets caters to all levels of experience, offering everything from ultra-low commissions to leverage up to 1 to 3,000. Licensed and regulated, JustMarkets serves clients in over 190 countries, delivering around-the-clock support, multilingual service, and a growing reputation for reliability and innovation in the online trading space. The broker offers a diverse range of CFD-based trading instruments suited for all types of traders. Their core offering includes over 60 Forex pairs, covering majors, minors, and exotics, with spreads starting from 0.0 pips and leverage up to 1 to 3,000. Traders can also access commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, along with major global indices such as the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, and DAX 40, ideal for those seeking broader market exposure. The platform features a solid selection of stock CFDs from top global companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google, as well as popular cryptocurrency CFDs, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. All instruments are available through MetaTrader 4 and 5, giving users access to advanced tools and fast execution. With this wide selection, JustMarkets allows traders to build flexible, multi-asset strategies across global markets. JustMarkets operates under multiple legal entities regulated by 4 authorities worldwide, offering varying levels of oversight. The primary regulator arm is the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, a strong Tier 1 regulator within the EU that enforces MiFID II standards, mandates client fund segregation, and provides negative balance protection as well as access to an investor compensation fund. For clients outside of Europe, JustMarkets maintains entities regulated by mid to lower tier authorities, including the FSA, the FSC, and the FSCA. Across all entities, JustMarkets enforces key compliance measures, including segregation of client funds in bank accounts separate from company operational funds, encryption of all client data, and provision of negative balance protection to retail traders. While the CySEC licensed entity offers the strongest oversight, the offshore regulators provide more flexible trading conditions, especially higher leverage, though with fewer client protections. JustMarkets offers a variety of attractive promotional bonuses designed to boost trading capital and reward both new and active clients. New traders can benefit from a no-deposit welcome bonus, typically around a $30 credit, credited automatically after verifying their phone number, allowing them to trade without depositing real funds. Profits can be withdrawn following simple volume and timeframe requirements. For deposit-based incentives, JustMarkets features a tiered deposit bonus structure. Traders depositing from $10 receive a 50% bonus. Deposits over $100 earn a 100% match, and deposits above $500 unlocks up to a 120% bonus fund, with total bonuses capped per account and client. These funds are credited as credit and can be used as margin until the required trading volume is met. Profits become withdrawable once conditions are fulfilled. JustMarkets also runs seasonal promotions, which in the past has offered 100% bonus matches on deposits during limited periods for qualifying regions. Their Refer a Friend program is a rewarding way for users to grow their trading network and earn extra income at the same time. By simply inviting friends to join the platform, existing clients can receive attractive bonuses once their referrals register and begin trading. The program is designed to be straightforward and accessible. Each participant gets a unique referral link to share via social media, email, or DM. When a referred friend signs up using the link and meets the trading requirements, both the referrer and the friend become eligible for rewards. The more friends you refer, the more you can earn, with no limit to the number of people you can invite. It's a win-win opportunity that encourages community growth while allowing traders to benefit financially from sharing the JustMarkets experience. Whether you're a casual trader or a dedicated affiliate, the Refer a Friend program offers a simple yet powerful way to boost your earnings. The broker offers full support on both MetaTrader 4 and 5, two of the most trusted trading platforms in the industry. MetaTrader 4 is a favorite for Forex traders, known for its simple interface, fast execution, one-click trading, and support for expert advisors. It's ideal for beginners or those focused mainly on currency trading. For those needing more advanced features, MetaTrader 5 expands on MetaTrader 4 with more indicators, timeframes, and tools like market depth, an integrated economic calendar, and additional order types, perfect for multi-asset strategies. Traders can use both platforms on desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring full functionality whether you're at your desk or on the go. The mobile apps for iOS and Android offer real-time price charts, technical indicators, and flexible order management. JustMarkets also supports copy trading, allowing users to automatically follow top-performing traders, great for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Overall, the broker delivers powerful, flexible, and accessible trading across devices, backed by the reliability of the MetaTrader platforms. The broker offers several live account types, as well as a demo account option, designed to fit different trading styles and experience levels. Their demo account is perfect for newcomers and strategy testing, mimicking real market conditions without the risk, all through the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. For real trading, the standard Cent account is tailored for beginners, using cents as the base currency to help newcomers manage risk and build experience with minimal capital. This account operates on the MetaTrader 4 platform, requires a low minimum deposit, around $10 and charges no commission, with spreads starting from about 0.3 pips. The standard account, also with no commission and spreads from 0.3 pips, is the most popular among all traders. It supports both MetaTrader 4 and 5 and allows a leverage up to 1 to 3,000. It's suitable for daily charting, hedging strategies, and moderate intraday styles. For experienced traders, their Pro account offers narrow spreads starting from 0.1 pips, no commissions, maximum leverage, and full flexibility across trading volumes and styles. It's optimized for active traders working across Forex, CFDs, commodities, and crypto assets. Their Raw Spread account is ideal for scalpers and high-frequency traders. It features ultra-tight floating spreads starting at 0.0 pips, but includes a fixed commission of roughly $3 per lot per side. Like other accounts, it supports leverage up to 1 to 3,000 and is accessible via MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The broker offers flexible copy trading account types, tailored to different trading styles and preferences. Investors and strategy providers can choose between the Copy Standard and Copy Pro account types. The Copy Standard account is ideal for those looking for traditional trading conditions with no commissions, while the Copy Pro account is designed for more experienced traders, offering tighter spreads and a commission-based model. Both account types support copy trading functionality, giving users the freedom to select the setup that best aligns with their trading goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, the broker also offers a swap-free or Islamic version of each account, which is available for those who require compliance with Sharia law. Swap fees are removed upon request, though the account operates under identical conditions otherwise. Creating an account with JustMarkets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Register button. Next, you'll want to submit your country of residence, email address, and create a password to register your account. After your account has been registered, you will be redirected to the JustMarkets client portal. Within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts. Check on copy trading, view benefits, and much more. The next step would be to open your preferred trading account type, either a live trading account or a demo trading account. If you are opening a live trading account, be sure to verify your credentials and personal information in order to continue, or you can simply open a demo account and begin trading with virtual funds. The next step, after you have chosen and opened your preferred trading account type, would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, or you can simply use their web trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with JustMarkets. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of the broker's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, JustMarkets provides a wide variety of helpful educational content covering topics such as platform functionality to help you get started with understanding the basics of the MetaTrader platforms and to place your first trade. The broker makes funding your trading account quick and straightforward. They offer a wide range of payment methods, including Neteller, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, and various local payment systems. Deposits are processed instantly on their end, typically within 1 minute, though processing times may vary depending on your payment method and provider. JustMarkets does not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals. However, it's important to note that some banks and electronic payment systems may apply their own transaction fees. To withdraw funds, simply log into your personal area, navigate to the Funds section, and select Withdrawal. Choose your trading account, select your preferred withdrawal method, and confirm the account. Most withdrawals are processed instantly, typically within 1 minute, though again, processing times may vary depending on your payment method and provider. For security, JustMarkets employs a one-time password verification procedure to double protect all withdrawals. They also use PCI DSS security standards to protect card payment systems. The broker is committed to empowering traders at all levels with a comprehensive suite of free educational tools. Their education center offers a structured learning path, starting with a Forex glossary to familiarize beginners with the essential trading terminology. The Forex articles section delves into topics like market hours, trading psychology, and platform usage, providing both foundational knowledge and advanced strategies. For those who prefer visual learning, the educational videos cover platform features, trading signals, and strategy implementation. Additionally, the currencies section offers insights into major and exotic currency pairs, enhancing market understanding. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, the broker's educational resources are designed to support your trading journey. JustMarkets also equips traders with a comprehensive suite of tools to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Their economic calendar offers over 1,000 live events from more than 50 countries, categorized by impact level and customizable to your time zone. This feature ensures that you're always prepared for market-moving announcements. For in-depth market insights, the broker provides a range of articles covering both fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis delves into economic indicators, central bank policies, and geopolitical events, helping traders understand the broader market context. Technical analysis focuses on chart patterns, trends, and indicators, enabling traders to identify potential entry and exit points. Additionally, JustMarkets offers a news trading strategy guide, teaching traders how to capitalize on price movements triggered by major economic news releases. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, their comprehensive news and analysis resources are designed to enhance your trading decisions and keep you ahead of market trends. JustMarkets takes a unique stance on industry recognition. Rather than pursuing traditional awards, the company emphasizes transparency, reliability, and client satisfaction. They believe that true excellence is demonstrated through consistent service quality and customer trust, not through accolades. As stated on their official website, Best Broker doesn't need the awards. By focusing on delivering exceptional trading conditions, robust security measures, and comprehensive educational resources, JustMarkets aims to build lasting relationships with traders. Overall, JustMarkets has proven itself as a reliable and versatile broker that caters to a wide range of traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Operating in over 160 countries, it offers an extensive selection of trading instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and explore multiple markets with ease. One of the broker's strongest assets is its variety of account types, including standard, pro, raw spread, and cent accounts, all designed to meet the needs of different trading styles and experience levels. Coupled with industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, traders benefit from advanced charting tools, automated trading options, and seamless access across desktop, web, and mobile devices. Regulation and security are prioritized, with oversight from reputable authorities such as SciSec, the Financial Services Commission, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, and the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles. This multi-jurisdictional regulation framework adds layers of protection, ensuring client funds are segregated and that negative balance protection is in place. The broker also demonstrates a strong commitment to trader education and support, offering comprehensive learning resources, live market analysis, and around-the-clock customer service. Their bonus programs and promotions provide additional value, especially for new traders looking to boost their capital. JustMarkets combines competitive trading conditions, a wide asset range, reliable regulation, and robust support to create an appealing environment for traders worldwide. So whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your trading strategies, JustMarkets provides the tools, flexibility, and security to help you navigate the financial markets confidently. And that is our overview of JustMarkets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.